guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have the May Allure Beauty Box to show you. Do you want to know what's in my box? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys. So again, the May 2026 Allure Beauty Box has arrived. This actually came a few days ago, and we had his family over for like a little get together, kind of like an early Mother's Day kind of thing. And his mom was like, ooh, what is in that box? So I opened it to show her really quick, but I honestly only remember the product that I chose and one other product. I don't remember anything else in the box. So it's already cut because again, I was showing her what was in here. So this is the inside of the May box. You have your brochure. There's always a gorgeous woman right on there. And it does tell you about personalizing your add-ons and stuff like that. And then a sneak peek to inside of the box is right there. So for this one, we got to choose the brow product. For next month, you get to choose between these 4 completely different products right here. And I have already chose mine. Can you guess which one I chose between those 4? I do like that it's 4 completely different products, not like it's the same product, but there's a different scent or a different color or, you know, something like that. So I was actually excited to see 4 different products that you can choose for next month. That'll be the June box. So for the May box, what we got to choose was the Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow Pomade. And it came in 4 different colors. You could pick between a medium brown, a dark brown, a soft brown, or a taupe. Now, I don't use this brand currently, but the brand that I am currently using, the color that I choose and have been getting for years and years is taupe. So I went ahead and chose this in colored taupe. So hopefully it'll be about the same of what I'm using. And when we open her up, yeah, it looks pretty much like the same color. So you have all of that in here. This right here is valued for $25. It's a full-size product and it is a 0.14 ounce. So there is the first item coming in as a full-size product. Again, you can choose between the 4 different colors to pick what would be closest to your eyebrow color. So there is that one. Oh, that is actually really cool. They gave you a brush and it's also Anastasia Beverly Hills. It is a 12 dual-ended firm angled brush. And this is valued for $22. So they're not just giving you a brow product saying like, oh, figure it out. They're giving you the brow product and the brow brush. That is awesome. Again, it's brush number 12, dual-ended. And I think that's great because now you have your brush to style your brows. So you have this flat end here and then this side for your spoolie. So you're double-ended. That is awesome. Again, I think that's so neat that they gave you the brush in here as well. So you're not just trying to figure it out on how to put it on or how to use it or anything like that. But there you go. You have your own little set then right there. I think that's so neat. I think that's really neat that they did that. Okay, so let's go with the next product in here, which says Belif. Ooh, Aqua Balm Eye Gel. I love any type of like an aqua balm and moisturizer, anything like that. So I'm excited to see it in an eye gel form. I don't think I've had an aqua balm eye gel. So that is actually awesome. Let's get this one out. Ooh, it's a nice container too. This is actually valued for $32. It's a full size and it is a ooh, I was not expecting that. It's a 0.5 ounce. That is, yeah, there you go. So you can pump it out of here. Let me get it started. Pump, pump, pump you up. Oh, I feel it coming. There we go. There is the eye gel. And I'm really, really excited about that because then you can use this little thing to like rub it underneath your eye area. That's really neat that it even has like that built-in little applicator. So this is the Aqua Balm Eye Gel. Visibly reduces the appearance of dark circles and eye bags. So I know I can use that. So I'm super excited about that product right there. Again, valued for $32. And there's no scent to that or anything, but it does feel really nice when I'm like rubbing it into my skin. So I'm so excited to put that on my face. Now let's go with a face setter. It's Refy face setter. This is valued for $28. It's a full size product and it's a 1.69 ounce. And it says, if you prefer a dewy look, this super fine setting spray makes for the perfect routine. And it says, shake the bottle to mix and then hold at least 8 inches from your face and begin spritzing. This is completely sealed, but I'm gonna break the seal to show you what it looks like, and then I will put this product in a future giveaway. And I have been telling you there's something I have planned coming up, and I'm trying to get like a lot of full size products for that. So this is gonna go right in there. I personally just do not use like any type of a face mist, a setting spray, anything like that. So all of those products go directly to you guys. So here's a size. It looks kind of nice. So like you don't see like any of the writing and all that, just nice and sleek, one color with the name and then a few little things right there. But the packaging looks really nice. And then there is your spray to spray your face. And this is valued at $28 for the full size setting spray. All right, you guys, we have 2 products left. This one here says hyaluronic lip treatment. And this is valued at $37. And it's a full size product at a 0.52 ounce. The #1 product in every Allure editor's bag. Lip balm, we probably have at least 3 tubes each, including this one, which is plumped with hyaluronic acid to hydrate and plump up lips, along with cocoa seed butter for a subtle sweet scent. Ooh, that's nice. How to use: after giving the tube a squeeze, glide the angle applicator over the lips for an instant glossy finish. I love anything with moisture, gloss. I just don't do any color on my lips. So this lip treatment will definitely come in handy, and I will definitely use this little guy. So again, valued for $32. And I'm glad it's not like a lip mask where you have to wash off the next day or anything like that. You just put it on your lips and you're good. So there's that. And then the last and final, we finally have a non-full size product, you guys. All of those other products are all full size. Normally there's like at least 2 or 3, but this time there's only 1 that's not a full size. This is the Sol de Janeiro. This is the number 87 Radiance Perfume Mist. The full size is a 240 ml. This is a 30 ml that's included in the box. And the full size is $39. So there's no price to the sample size, but this is a sample size. And again, it is the number 87. I think the only one I have is a full size, and I think it's number 91 or something like that. But this one right here says 1 spritz of this creamy coconut milk, warm sand, and cozy vanilla scent will instantly transport you to sunnier locations serving tropical cocktails. All right, so I saw nothing with rose or lavender, so I will definitely open this one up. And I'm kind of glad this one is smaller, because this would be easier just to drop down like in your purse, your bag, leave in your car for travel, that kind of thing. So I'm not mad at this one being the smaller size, to be honest. I can't smell it yet. And it's like a hair and body mist. Ooh, that does smell tropical. I do like that. So here's number 87, the last and final product in this May box, you guys. So a quick recap again, we have the spray, we have the lip mask, we have the face setting spray, you have the eye balm. I'm so excited about that. Then you have the brow product and the brow brush. Alright, you guys, so that is everything for this particular box. Again, comment down below and let me know what would be your favorite item in here. Do you want to get this box now? Do you already subscribe to Allure and you're excited about getting this box? Definitely let me know down below in the comment section. I would love to hear from you. If you would like some pricing, I will let you know right about now. With this one, they always have like new perks with signing up, so I always just go to their website to find out. So the normal monthly cost every month is $29.99 with free US shipping. But when you sign up, your very first box using their code would be $19.99. So it takes $10 off your very first box. With that one, you will get 2 free member gifts upon signing up if you are a new member. And that would be for the Ahava Purifying Mud Mask valued for $39 and a Grown Alchemist Soothing Hand Cream valued for $32. Then if you go to the quarterly, you will still get those same 2 free gifts, and then you'll save a little bit of money by doing it quarterly. And if you go to the annual, that's where you're gonna get the deepest discount. That's the cheapest per box monthly if you go the whole annual membership. And with that one, you will still get the 2 free products, and you get to choose your the brow product color in all of them. You get to choose the brow product color for this month. Again, next month is those 4 other products that you can choose. And yeah, they will all be listed down below in the description box if you would like to pop on over and check out Allure. Sign up if you would like. They also do have add-ons in like a little store. So when you do customize, you can add things on if you wanted to do that. But I normally don't add anything on because I have too many things already. But I just love their monthly box. There's just like great products inside. And normally there's always one product that pays for the entire box to make it completely worth it, in my opinion. So there you go. If you would like to check out other companies, learn more about me or my animals, you can visit my website at any given time, which is SheCrafty.com. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already. I would love for you to stick around. I do so many different types of videos. If something pops up that you're not interested in, then just pass it until you see one that you are. It's that simple. All right, you guys, so now that is everything to say and show for this particular video. Don't forget to comment down below and let me know. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.